What's up guys, this is Heather, and in this video we are going to do a scratch test on the display of Honor X9a to see how durable is the screen and whether it is going to get any scratches or damage when we use our set of keys and this knife here on the display of X9a. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So Honor X9a comes with a super toughened glass on its display, and it also comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it. So we will remove this screen protector first for our testing purpose. And now let's start our scratch test with set of keys first, because this is what usually we are carrying in our pockets with our smartphones. You can see that I'm applying so much pressure and force that the knife is bouncing on this desk here. Let's have a look on the display now. So it is looking quite perfect. Not a single scratch, as you can see here. If you notice any scratch, any damage to the display here, then please mention it in the comment section, mentioning the timestamp at which you have noticed and where exactly. But as you can see, not a single scratch is visible to the display here. It's working perfectly, everything is fine as ever. The touch screen sensitivity is perfect as well. So now let's use our knife and let's see whether we are going to get any scratches this time or not. So it's time to go a bit brutal. Can you listen to the sound? Because of the friction between the screen and this knife here. So you can see it damaged my desk here. So it's sharp enough and I'm applying enough pressure. Let's go. You can see the phone is bouncing out of the surface because of the force I'm applying here. I think it's more than enough. Let's have a look on the display again. And once again it is looking perfect. No scratch at all. You see? So not a single scratch is visible, and that's quite impressive for sure. And once again you can see the display is working perfectly. There is no damage to any kind after applying the set of keys and our knife here on the display of Honor X9a. No damage of any kind. It's just that my desk got this dent here. Other than that, display of Honor X9a is really strong and durable, and you do not need to even use the screen protector that comes pre-applied on this device here, because as you can see, the glass used is really strong and it can easily withstand lots of scratches, damages, and the force applied on it, as you can see here. Really impressive. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.